Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning 1 to 20 counting. This is our colors. Let's learn some color name. Pink color, brown color, red color, yellow color, light green color, black color and baby pink color, sky blue color, blue color, blue color, orange color, dark green color. 1, red color 2, baby pink color 3, black color 4, blue color 5, pink color 6, purple color 7, dark green color 8, sky blue color 9, orange color 10, yellow color 11, light green color 12, black color 13, baby pink color 14, purple color 15, brown color 16, blue color 17, red color 18, pink color 19, sky blue color 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.